Now, in this video, we shall have a discussion on dipole in a uniform external field or uniform external electric field. We'll see what happens if dipole placed in an electric field. Now, uniform electric field, I'm taking like this. These are the electric field lines. Means in this region, electric field is acting like this. Clear? This electric field is directed from positive to negative. Arrow indicates this is acting from positive to negative. So in this region we have a uniform electric field E. Now in this field I am placing a dipole like this. This is plus Q and this is minus Q. The distance of the dipole is 2a and the dipole moment P will act like this. This dipole moment vector P. This act like this. Dipole moment vector. Now this P is dipole moment vector, acts from negative to positive, and this is the field, electric field, uniform electric field E. The angle between dipole moment vector field E is theta. Now this is positive charge and this side negative. Already this indicates this act from positive to negative. This is negative. This side is negative. Field acted from positive to negative. So this side is positive, this side is negative, and this is positive. Here we have a negative. So this will experience force like this, F. Clear? And this is negative charge which is attracted towards positive. So this is the force F. And these two forces in the electric field definition, how do we write? Force is equal to EQ. Already we mentioned there E is equal to force per charge. Then force is equal to EQ. Means this experience force F, the magnitude is EQ, and this is Q. This also experience force F because this side positive region. So positive attract negative, and this is negative region, negative attract positive. So both forces are equal, and equal forces acting at different points, then this produced torque, and then dipole start rotate like this about this center. Clear? Then when dipole is placed in a uniform electric field, it experiences torque. Equal forces acting at different positions, then it develops the torque or coupled. Then how do we find torque? Now torque, the general formula is torque is equal to, torque represented by tau, torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance. So torque, tau is equal, what is the force are acting on one charge, that is EQ. Perpendicular distance for this force I can take, this is the force, and if we extend down, we can extend vector. For this force, this will be the perpendicular distance. If this angle is theta, this angle will be theta, opposite. And this distance we require. To find this distance, which is a convenient way, which trigonometrical ratio is convenient. This length is already decided as 2a, and this length we need to find. For this theta, this is opposite side. So the sin theta is the best way to find opposite side. This opposite side, if you take it as a x, then x by hypotenuse is what? 2a. Then x is equal to 2a sin theta. Here perpendicular distance is what? X. Then EQ is equal to x, we got it as 2a sin theta. Then this is what? Q into 2a is dipole moment. This we will write P E sin theta. Now the torque formula is PE sin theta. P is dipole moment, E is electric field, theta angle between dipole moment vector and field. Now the vector form of torque is tau is equal to P cross E. You can represent both. Tau is equal to P sin theta or tau is equal to P cross E. Clear? So it's tau is dependent on angle. You already studied in first period. Clear?